While I was unboxing my new copy of HeroQuest, I managed to throw the entire tray of player and monster minis all over the floor. At least I can take a good look at them now as I try to get them back into their slots. But how many have I missed? Dice. This is like one of those memory games when you're a kid. He's got wings. Now I think there must be there. Yeah, that looks right. This is almost more fun than playing the game. Not that I've played the game yet, but he looks like he goes in there. I'm impressed at my memory. I haven't even gone back and looked at the video to see where they all go. Shield, there we are. Now this will be good because once they're painted they can actually probably sit here quite comfortably if I varnish them without worrying about rubbing the paint off. It's not a tight fit. That doesn't look right, I'll come back to that one. And here's the warrior, here's the barbarian. He had a sword. There, haha. And here is the, I'm gonna say elf. Nasty looking wizard there. No, I don't think so. Anyway, let's get another one of these big dudes because, yeah, there we are. Oh, and this guy's huge. He must go there. That's definitely an orc. This is an orc. Up there. Getting good at this now. Goblin, maybe a goblin. Oh, a tiny goblin. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, I am definitely missing some of these. Uh-oh. So something's in the wrong place. Okay, that's yes, that's easy because they're all the same. There we are. Right. Now, so I'm missing one skeleton, one goblin, and looks like 3 others, which may be 1 adventurer and 2 somethings. Let me go and have a look. Well, that took a while. I've got them all though. Final skeleton. Little dwarf guy. The missing goblin. Oh, she must go there, yes. And that is the lot. Rescued. Good. Now for a game. If you want to see the full unboxing, the video's on the screen right now. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.